Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix switch to youtube.com. So let's see how to fix it. First, tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on app info logo. Now scroll down and find storage. Now clear data and switch. Now go back and enable all permission. Click on permission. Now enable all permission. See my all permission allow it. Now go to Play Store. Now open Play Store. Now click on search box and search YouTube. See my YouTube can update. Now click on update. Now wait for updating your YouTube app. Just wait a few seconds. You can see my YouTube app updating complete. Now click open. Now enable, got it. See my problem successful. By this way you can easily solve your problem. Thank you.